Exams are in less than 2 months, and the most important skill that you need to know how to do right now is how to properly reflect on your exams and how to properly improve after doing each exam. A very common rabbit hole that a lot of students, including me, fell into is the habit of constantly doing practice exams and kind of doing practice exams for the sake of doing practice exams, but not actually improving after each one. This is the number one biggest grade killer. If you sit there and do 50 practice exams, but you don't properly mark that, you don't properly reflect on it, after those 50 practice exams, you're going to be no smarter, no better at the subject than at the very beginning. The process is actually very simple. The biggest thing is the mindset change that you need when you're doing the practice exams. So firstly, the biggest thing is do not do practice exams whilst looking at the answers. This is the number one biggest mistake. If you're doing the practice exam and you're kind of like, oh, I'm not really sure about this question, let me just quickly glance at the answer. Oh, okay, I kind of got the answer. Let me just write down what I remember. That is pointless. At that point, you might as well just copy the answer sheet down onto your practice exam. Next, when you mark yourself harshly. Don't fall into the trap of going, oh, I mean, this is almost correct. Or, oh, I mean, I'll get this right in the exam, so let me just give it a tick. No one cares what you get on your practice exams. If you're not marking yourself properly, the only person you're lying to is yourself. And the next 3 steps is the actual improving process. So after looking at the answer and noting the questions that you got wrong, learn how to do them and then try them again tomorrow. This step is so critical. So many students don't do this. They just mark the exam, they look at the question, they're like, okay, here's the right answer, and then they never look at it again, right? What's going to happen is you're just going to forget it, and when it comes to the actual exam and you get the same question again, you still won't be able to do it. You need to make sure you do the question until the point where you can do it correctly. Differences with the English exams, and that's why you need to go on to Polar Bear, because this is where we can mark your English exams for free using the strongest GPT-5 AI along with training from past exams, and do this constantly. It kind of imitates this entire 5-step process for you. So if you want to improve at VCE English, head to trypolarbear.com.